Neil. We're on the way to Shenzhen, no surprise. But we're going to visit 2 factories today. Now these are electronics factories, but they're much more industrial, a bit more commercial electronics. So the first one, which is RayPower, they actually make wireless. They make wireless transmitting equipment, the stuff you put in the ceiling so you can have your cheap wireless communications. And so they're associated with an Italian company. And so they've got the Italian DNA, so it'd be interested to see how the factory is set up. They're making radio communication equipment for first responders, emergency services people. So we're about to go down and have a look at the injection molding. So we're going across to another injection molding. Oh, we have Mobike. We always have to have Mobike with us, right?
You in Hong Kong have mobile as well?
I think they're in Shatin. Yes.
Huh? So this is what we see is our advantage. It's because different with another competitor.
Right.
Because our competitor maybe have the same people and the same production line as us.
Right.
But they don't have the molding factory themselves.
Yes, they outsource the molding.
Outsource the probably first is the price.
Right.
Second is the reliability.
Right. Yes. We're at the injection molding place now, and so we'll go inside. Yes.
So this aerial is actually 3 companies.
Right.
And we from here
Right.
to there is ours.
Right.
And another 2 companies.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
So you just got this part, then there's another company, and then another one.
Yeah, to be honest.
So that guy over there is actually creating a die. It's creating a mold.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So this is the first time I see a mold being created. We always see the end part, but this is a mold being created here. So that's awesome. Yeah. So we've got basically 3 companies here sharing the same area. But we're going to look at more detail in RayTalk's company. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, this is what we do the mold here.
Wow. So we're looking at one of the injection molding machines that they use. So we put that in. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, they're just checking the different, especially design.
We have been working on this project for over like 6 months already.
Wow, trying to get it perfect, huh?
Yeah, it's very hard. It's very hard job. Yeah.
What's the hard part about it?
我说这个我们干了很长时间，我说这个很难搞，这是最难搞的是什么？我觉得给解释一下。应该搞了1年了。No, almost 1 year, not 6 months.
Yeah.
1 year.
Wow.
这个吧。We have to put this cable inside.
Yes.
And this is like this shape.
Yes.
It's very hard.
Right.
If you don't control well, the whole part is broken.
Wow.
So I don't know how to explain very well, but
Okay.
yeah.
So lots of.
This is used from VR. AR.
Wow. That's amazing. So not easy, huh?
Yeah, it's very easy.
Try many times, huh?
Right.
See now, you try it, but now again,
Yeah.
the mold is not sticking properly or something like
The
that.
molding and also the temperature. You have to concentrate a lot of parts.
Lots of wow. Use lots of plastic. Oh, do you have a prototype of what it should look like?
Yeah, we do. We do have a prototype. The customer gives just a sample to us, and we do the drawing and step by step. We want to make it perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, this is. I guess this is the creativity part.
Yeah.
It's not just putting a screw into a hole.
No.
You're creating something new,
Yes.
never done before, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay.
This is the water modes. Belongs to us.
Right, all the dies,
Yeah.
tooling.
We have a joke here. If we can make it as a production line, it's good for money. If
Absolutely.
there's no orders, it's just sell by kilo. Like maybe like $1, $2, $1 per kilo. You know what I mean?
Yeah. To sell by the weight.
Yeah, sell by the weight.
Yeah.
But in case we have a order like a 10,000 earpiece or something, wow, this is a gold.
It's ready to go.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Yeah, you have to secure these. Keep watch on it.
No, it's not secure.
Yeah.
We have to make it perfect.
Right.
Make it different to our competitors. Nobody wants to stone like this. It's too heavy. You cannot take it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So your machine's got a light machine here, the big one,
Yeah.
and these are just
The reason we have this molding department is that we want to serve our customer perfect.
right.
In the past, hey, I have some idea I want to make.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just for the radio product, okay? Like a speak microphone. He has ideas, we have the mold, we make it for them.
Right.
In the past, okay, he has idea, we have to talk with them.
Yeah.
And they make all the things,
Yeah.
all the plastic parts.
Right.
So this makes a very long time.
Yeah.
And it's so professional. And also the price is very good. So that's why we have it ourselves.
Right. Okay. Very good. Another 6 months, huh?
I hope so. I hope we can finish this month because the customer is pushing us every day.
Wow.
They want to product. They have already placed the order like I think 5,000 pieces already.
Wow.
Yeah, the contracts are here and they have already deposited, make the payment. But now we still have a problem with the product. That's a great headache. I think we will not have a holiday for the next national holiday.
No.
Normally we take 7 days. I think
Yes.
this year we only have 3 days maybe.
Yes.
Because this issue.
We've got to fix it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no more order.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's amazing.
So that's it. This is what we did.
Thank you. This is very good. Yeah, not every factory has their own injection molding machine.
have to. We have to, especially for the small business.
Yes.
Because the radio stuff. I mean, if you talk to Charles, he knows it. If you go to the global sources, okay?
Yes.
You will see a lot of companies that they making like the consumer.
Right.
For the iPhone.
Yes.
Every order they can go to 10,000. Okay.
Yes, right.
Oh, they're okay for the modem. But our
Right.
business, if you talk to Charles knows it.
Yes.
For the small orders,
Yes.
nobody want to take it.
Right.
But we know there's a market.
Yes.
So that's why we have to do it ourselves.
That's good. Excellent. So business is better this year compared to 2016.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
That's good. That's good news.
I think another part is good or bad is you can't see. You have to compare with yourself.
Yes.
You cannot compare to anyone else.
Right.
It's a different business.
Yes.
It's different investments.
You'll be at Global Sources in October?
Yeah, we will be there.
Oh, good, good, good.
Yeah, I think we will meet each other again.
Okay, we'll come and do it.
All eight.
Oh yes, we'll be there. Excellent. Did you see Charles talk last year or this year?
Last month, actually.
Oh, he spoke in Denver.
Yeah, in Denver.
Oh, good on him. Very good. That's it. Thank you.